Hello, my dear students, and welcome to your favorite educational YouTube channel, Educator Prerna. That's me, or as you popularly know me as English Wari Ma'am. So आज हमारी जो ये T20 सीरीज है EPL इसका नेक्स्ट सेशन है और आज के सेशन में we are going to be reading another story from your main reader and जो आज हम स्टोरी पढ़ने वाले हैं that is chapter number 3. इस स्टोरी के टू पार्ट्स हैं and we are going to be reading the first part today. All right, what is the name of the story? The name of the story is his first flight. His first flight. तो ये जो स्टोरी है his first flight, this is a story of a bird which is a seagull. All right, a bird which is a seagull, and how the seagull is unwilling to take his first flight. ये जो seagull है ये बहुत डर रहा है to take his first flight. All right, ये पहली बारी उड़ने में बहुत डर रहा है. But something happens because of which he is able to finally take his first flight. तो ऐसा क्या होता है? Let's find that out. All right. So we are on page number 32. Let us start reading and understanding the chapter. The young seagull was alone on his ledge. His two brothers and sister had already flown away the day before. He had been afraid to fly with them. Somehow, when he had taken a little run forward to the brink of the ledge and attempted to flap his wings, he became afraid. The great expanse of sea stretched down beneath, and it was such a long way down, miles down. He felt certain that his wings would never support him. So he bent his head and ran away back to the little hole under the ledge where he slept at night. Alright, so ये जो पहली कुछ लाइंस है इसमें बताया गया है कि ये जो यंग सीगल था ये he wasn't ready to take his first flight. ये उड़ने को तैयार नहीं था. क्यों? Because this young seagull, as all of you can see, he was sitting on the ledge. All right, and ये जैसे ही दौड़ लगाता था कि that let me come to the edge of this plateau and let me make my first flight, let me make that first attempt to fly. He wasn't really looking at the sky. वो क्या कर रहा था? वो जो नीचे सी थी वो उसमें देख रहा था. तो उसको लगता था that जैसे ही मैं उड़ने की कोशिश करूंगा I will not be able to fly. In fact, what is going to happen? I'm going to fall on in the sea and I might lose my life. So क्या हो रहा है कि जो सीगल है वो अपने गोल पे फोकस नहीं कर रहा. उसका गोल क्या है? इट इज द स्काई. बट वो कहाँ ध्यान दे रहा है? अपने डर के ऊपर, which is a common mistake we all do in our lives also. Okay, even when each of his brothers and his little sister, whose wings were far shorter than his own, ran to the brink, flapped their wings and flew away, he failed to muster up courage to take that plunge which appeared to him so desperate. His father and mother had come around, calling to him shrilly, upbraiding him, threatening to leave him starve on his ledge unless he flew away. But for the life of him, he could not move. तो उसके जो छोटे भाई बहन थे, whose feathers were much shorter than him, उन birds ने भी अपनी जो पहली उड़ान थी वो they had taken it a day before. But ये जो seagull था ये अभी भी बहुत डरा हुआ था and his mother and father were continuously in a way shouting at him, giving him taunts कि तुम एक बारी क्यों नहीं वहां से उड़ने की कोशिश करते हो. But this young seagull again, क्योंकि वो सिर्फ नेगेटिव पे फोकस कर रहा था, वो अपने डर पे फोकस कर रहा था, he could not make the attempt to fly. That was 24 hours ago. Since then nobody had come near him. The day before, all day long, he had watched his parents flying about with his brothers and sisters, perfecting them in the art of flight, teaching them how to skim the waves and how to dive for fish. He had in fact, seen his older brother catch his first herring and devour it, standing on a rock while his parents circled round raising a proud cackle. Cackle होता है जो एक sound birds निकालते हैं out of happiness. And all the morning, the whole family had walked about on the big plateau midway down the opposite cliff, taunting him with his cowardice. So, जो seagull का बड़ा भाई था, he was getting a lot of praise from the parents because the elder brother had made the first flight and also, was able to catch the fish from the sea. But this seagull was not, young seagull was not ready to do it. और cowardice, तो उसकी जो कायरता थी उसके लिए his parents were continuously taunting him. The sun was now ascending in the sky, blazing on his ledge that faced the south. He felt the heat because he had not eaten since the previous nightfall. He stepped slowly out to the brink of the ledge and standing on one leg, with other leg hidden under his wing, he closed one eye, then the other, and pretended to be falling asleep. तो कई बारी हम प्रॉब्लम से बचने के लिए जब हमें लग रहा होता है कि हमारे पेरेंट्स अभी हमें डांटने वाले तो हम क्या करते हैं उस टाइम पर वी try to hide ourselves here and there. या पता होता है कि अभी मम्मी रूम में आएंगी या पापा रूम में आएंगे और डांट पड़ेंगी तो क्या होता है we immediately pull the blanket on our face pretending कि हम तो सो चुके हैं. So this is a kind of act that exactly the seagull was doing. Still they took no notice of him. He saw his two brothers and his sister lying on the plateau, dozing with their heads sunk into their necks. His father was spraining the feathers on his white back. Only his mother was looking at him. She was standing on a little high hump on the plateau, her white breast thrust forward. Now and again, she tore a piece of fish that lay on her feet and then scrapped each side of her beak onto the rock. The sight of the food maddened him. So almost for 24 hours the young seagull had not eaten anything. तो क्या हो रहा था उसके सामने जो उसकी मदर थी she was tearing the fish apart which was their food. So उस fish को देख के the young seagull was now unable to control his hunger. बहुत तेज भूख लगी हो और आपको खाना ना मिले और आपके सामने कोई खाना खा रहा हो तो कितना गुस्सा आता है. This is exactly what was happening with the young seagull. How he loved to tear the food that way, scraping his beak now and again to wet it. Ga, 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 he cried, begging her to bring him some food. She screamed back derisively, but he kept calling plaintively, and after a minute or so, he uttered a joyful scream. His mother had picked up. So अब ये जो seagull था ये suddenly बहुत खुश हो गया. So he made a joyful scream. Why? His mother had picked up a piece of the fish and was flying across to him with it. So उसको लगा कि जो उसकी मदर है उनका दिल पिघल गया है और अब ये जो मदर है मेरी ये मुझे फूड दे देंगी. The seagull was sitting here and the mother was now coming near to him. So he was very happy that finally I'll be able to get some food. So what happened then? He leaned out eagerly. So he came forward like this. So bending, tapping the rock with his feet, trying to get nearer to her as she flew across. But when she was just opposite to him, she halted, her wings motionless, the piece of the fish in her beak almost within the reach of his beak. He waited a moment in surprise, wondering why she did not come nearer, and then, maddened by hunger, he dived at the fish. With a loud scream, he fell outwards and downwards into the space. तो क्या हुआ? अगर आप इस पिक्चर को देखोगे, so see this is on page number 34. So ये जो मदर है सीगल की, she is just opposite to the young seagull. तो जैसे वो अपने बेटे के इतने पास आई, what did she do? She stood still और वो थोड़ा सा turn कर गई, right? Now this young seagull was so maddened by hunger that he finally, dived to get that fish. और क्या हुआ? That He fell outwards and downwards into the space. Then a monstrous terror seized him with his heart stood still. He could hear nothing. तो क्या हुआ था अब? The seagull had finally made his first flight. But it only lasted a minute. Kya lasted a minute? The fear that the seagull was carrying in his heart. The next moment, he felt his wings spread outwards. Alright? The wind rushed against his breast feathers, then under his stomach and against his wings. He could feel the tips of his wings cutting through the air. He was not falling headlong now. तो जो सीगल का डर था कि अगर मैंने ये स्टेप लिया तो मैं नीचे गिर सकता हूँ, मैं सी में चला जाऊंगा या मैं प्लेटू से नीचे गिर जाऊंगा, I'll hurt myself. That did not happen because finally वो चाहे उसने fish को देखकर maddened by hunger he died for that fish. He then suddenly was able to make his first flight. और वो जो उसके अंदर डर था, he realized that he was soaring high in the sky and not falling into the sea. तो उसके अंदर का जो डर था, now it had come to an end. He was no longer afraid. He just felt a bit dizzy. Then he flapped his wings once again. He soared upwards. And his mother swooped past him, her wings making a loud noise. He answered her with another scream. Then his father flew over him screaming. He saw his two brothers and sisters flying around him, cavorting and banking and soaring and diving. So now the entire family was flying together. All right. Then he completely forgot that he had not always been able to fly and commended himself to dive and soar and curve, shrieking shrilly. So एक जो loud noise होता है जिसमें आप चिल्लाते हो, that's called shrilling. All right. So what had happened? तो जो डर था इस young seagull का वो बिल्कुल खत्म हो चुका था and in fact he had even forgotten कि मुझे एक टाइम था जब मुझे उड़ना ही नहीं आता था. But now, like that was just a moment ago, but now I'm able to soar high in the sky. जैसे कि जब आप कोई नई स्किल ट्राई करते हो, फॉर एग्जाम्पल जब आप स्विमिंग ट्राई करते हो तो कितना डर लग रहा होता है ना टू जंप इनटू द वाटर. और ऐसा आपको पहले शैलो वाटर में ही लेके जाया जाता है. ऑल दोस हु नो स्विमिंग दे नो इट कि पहले शैलो वाटर में आपको रखते हैं जिसमें यू आर मच अबव द वाटर, पर फिर भी डर होता है कि नो यू नो आई माइट ड्राउन. All right, but then once you finally muster the courage to swim in the water, तो कितना भी deep पानी हो, we are all able to swim in the water with a lot of courage. He was near the sea now, flying straight over it, facing straight out and over the ocean. He saw vast green sea beneath him with little ridges moving over it, and he turned his beak sideways and cawed amusedly. So he was very happy on this victory that he had just achieved. His parents and his brothers and sister had landed on this green flooring ahead of him. They were beckoning to him, calling shrilly. He dropped his leg to stand on the green sea. तो अब वो उड़ना तो सीख गया, but वो जो लैंडिंग वाला प्रोसेस था उसमें then he again was a little scared. All right, his legs sank into it. He screamed with fright and attempted to rise again, flapping his wings. But he was tired and weak with hunger, and he could not rise, exhausted by the strange exercise. What was the strange exercise? To fly and to land onto the sea. His feet sank into the green sea, and then his belly touched it, and he sank no farther. He was floating on it, and around him his family was screaming, praising him, and their beaks were offering him scraps of dog, fish. He had made his first flight. So what an interesting story which tells us कि जब भी हमें एक वो leap of एक जंप लेना होता है, एक रिस्क लेना होता है। तो कई बार क्या होता है, हम इसलिए भी रिस्क नहीं लेते। ऑफ कोर्स इट हैज टू बी अ कैलकुलेटेड रिस्क, इट हैज टू बी अ वाइज रिस्क एज आई से इट। सो हम डर रहे होते हैं दैट ओ गॉड, अगर मैं कहीं फंस गया तो एंड व्हाट इफ दिस हैपेंस, दैट हैपेंस। तो क्या हो रहा होता है, हम अपने गोल पे फोकस नहीं कर रहे, बट वी आर फोकसिंग मोर ऑन आवर फियर्स, जिस वजह से वी आर नॉट एबल टू टेक दैट plunge, we are not able to take that leap of faith, and because of that most of us remain, we are not able to make our lives successful. All right, so life में अगर कोई रिस्क ले रहे हो, calculated risk of course I say, so make sure that you have that, you're able to take that leap of faith. Negatives पे focus नहीं करना है, you have to focus on your goal, you have to be optimistic, that is very important. But again जो risk है, या जो आपने एक स्किल सीखनी है, नहीं, इट शुड बी वर्दी, इट शुड बी कुछ वैल्यू होनी चाहिए। ये नहीं आज आप बोलोगे अच्छा ठीक है आई एम 14-15 इयर्स ओल्ड, तो मुझे आप गाड़ी दे दो एंड आई विल लर्न इट, यंग सीगल में हमें मैम ने ये पढ़ाया था। नो, दैट्स नॉट अलाउड। Alright, but a skill which is going to help you grow overall. All right, so I'll meet you all in the next session of this particular chapter, जिसमें हम इस chapter के character sketch plus जो values हैं उनको अच्छे से समझेंगे। Till then, do like, share and subscribe to Educator Prerna. All right, thank you. Stay blessed.